We ask you to please rise and remove your hats as we honor America with the singing of our national anthem, performed today by a very special guest of the Nittany Lions and granddaughter of the legendary Nittany Lion basketball coach, John Bach. Ladies and gentlemen, here to perform our national anthem, please give a warm welcome to former Penn State field hockey standout, Ms. Natalie Barrera-Race.
So proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. That our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home